like a peacock color, something like this pattern. Also beautiful bird. I purchase only post khuta and I throw gultis. His gultis guti goes to her head. He is suffering down to earth. Then I pick up here and I rescue. Fully protected, proper malishing in the, her throat. Then his pain relief. Then now is life in my hand. So very beautiful bird. I like her. I don't know if she is ladies and gents, but I don't know if she is married and unmarried, but she is very nice. I think is bird listen to very nice, very nice. So ये जिंदा है आप लोगों को बोल दिया है. This is live. So I think this is lazy bird in the wall. Hey, so molot ki ase. This bird is very nice. This is my song. Hey do. क्या है ये? आपके सामने क्या है? सरप्राइज है बेटा. ये तुम्हारा भाई बहन मौसा मौसी तुम कुछ भी बुला लो इसको. ठीक है ना? एक किस दो इसको.